ayebhejile akashintshe akashintshe inyanga azame inkabi because uMangwabe is here to stay. She's not going anywhere. Ngamazi ke lawo kaThobile uthi guys uMangwabe, you know what, it's true what uThobile is saying about uTata Mseleku proving a point ngoSamke. Oh guys, and samsizela uSamke uvele nje uthathwe, like umtshato is not, it's not like a sketch sana, it's not like a movie or a film, it's real life, you get. So uthi uMangwabe no wayemthathile to just prove a point indoba akekho umuntu ozophuma kulomtshato wakhe. Uthi in any case njengoba ethathiwe nje uMakhwela akangeke akwazi ukumzalela abantwana abayi-10 abayena abafunayo at this present moment. Like there is no wife that is going to ukuthi akhiqize 10 kids. Uthi nje it's really diabolical for him to think that uSamke is going to be able to do that. Umakhumalo ke uyothuka the way akhule ngakhona ke uMangwabe. Uthi wow, you know what, it's funny how tables have changed because last season ibindimi obencenga uMangwabe esithi bags zakhe zingasegeyithini. Shuthi nje this was his Mangwabe's strategy ebesebenzisa so that uTata Mseleku angathathi unumber 5 because Mangwabe ngikhona ngihleli and obecabanga ukuthi ngizohamba kushuthi ngcese. Uthi in fact uTata Mseleku, you know what, makayogqibezela umsebenzi no wife wakhe, but akayibekanga kanjalo you guys, but ndifuna ukunibeka kwi-picture because I see that uMangwabe is currently trending for actually saying that there are people who wished for her to leave umtshato wakhe. People are so mad on social media indoba hayibo Mangwabe thina sake sathi uba leave your marriage because nguwe, you have been saying you want to leave your marriage for the past few seasons after uTata Mseleku esithi uzothatha wife number 5, and now all of a sudden sithi ingxaki uthi uMangwabe jonga shuthi ngcese because I am not going anywhere. Vele kakade mina ndandingazuhamba emtshatweni nami. In fact uTata Mseleku nomuntu wakhe mabaphinde baye pha. Now this is giving us a clue indoba ujongise kubani lento ebeyithetha. Uthi makaphinde phayana ayobathengela i-alcohol and tell them that I am not going anywhere. So uthi ufuna ukubona i-agenda yobani abantu bakulo macele, right, indoba bazophelelaphi, and uthi it's better le agenda yabo abayizamayo yonke ndibone ndihleli emtshatweni nami rather than ndibone ndi outside of umtshato wami. Uthi nje ifilm isazodlala, kutsho kubani ke, kutsho uMangwabe uthi ifilm isazodlala. Let me just take a look at some of the comments from abantu ke guys ebebekhalaza intoba hayibo Mangwabe sisi wavele wafike wazosiqala ngomtshato wakho, then all of a sudden uthi sithi who wanted you out. So for those of you who were lost, uMangwabe was not referring to us as the viewers, but rather ebejongiseke komacele. Khona ke oye waphendula wathi basically this is what uPenwell said. Uthi no disrespect kodwa uMangwabe umbali Mseleku usijwayela kabi. She told the whole world on screen that if Umusa gets a 5th wife, she'll leave. Now she's gaslighting us and claiming that other people wanted her to leave and she won't. Haibo. So abahambayo was our delusion because it wasn't us. So ke bamphendule intoba number 1 umntu oqala she just realized her threats doesn't shake uTata Mseleku, so she comes up with excuses. Omnye ke aphendule athi Mara, I don't get why somebody is complaining that someone is changing their minds about their own marriage. Like, does that even make sense? Omnye ke aphendule athi she taught y'all to mind your business. She's allowed to change her mind futhi. Then ke owokugqibela athi I think Umusa doesn't see it now, but separating his wives really helped him to have better relationships with his wives. My 2 cents on uMangwabe is she was so used to be last born. She was the most loved and spoiled and uneskwele. The thought yokulanywa gave her stress, but soon she realized ukuthi hayi uMseleku doesn't love uMakhwela that much, at least not above her. She's there to serve ipurpose yokuthini, yokukhiqiza izingane abantwana, plus the new house upgrade was just a kiss on lips zakhe ke uMangwabe. So yeah, guys, those people that are saying uMangwabe ujongise to us as viewers, I just wanted to clear the air. Ndoba, no, guys, la line ebeyithi ndoba makuthengwe i-alcohol baqhubeke. It's clear as day that ujongise kwabani kwi-family kaMacele. So yeah, guys, nazo ke indaba ze-horror. Do let me know what your thoughts are, and I will see you shortly. Bye, guys.